everyone, welcome back. It's Sunday, time to do another painting, and today we're going to do a little 8" by 8" canvas, so a nice small canvas, and we're doing a swipe and then we're going to tilt it afterwards. So come and join us. Let's create a beautiful, bright, colorful painting today. Come and join. Come. Okay, I am back. So I'm just getting my gloves out. So I'm going to be swiping using this little palette knife. I've got some paper towel to wipe that off with. My swipe color is white today, and it is my Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with water only. And then I've got some colors. Now when I swipe with, I'm just thinking, sorry, when I swipe with white, I put darker colors underneath, and when I swipe with black, I put lighter, brighter colors. That is just the way I do it. Again, you use whatever colors you have, it's fine. I just find that if you're doing a swipe in white, but the colors underneath the swipe are light, you're not really going to see the lacing and stuff from the swipe as much as if the colors at the bottom were dark. So that's why I do it. Right, so let's get started. This is a, no, I don't want to start with that one, sorry. Changed my mind. So I've got a dark green here. It's not much, but I'll just put whatever I can get out. I've actually got another dark green. Hold on, let me get that one. Put some of this one. Oh, this one's metallic. Didn't know that. But I can see it here in the light that there's some metallic in it. Right, so that's that. I actually don't know what is in this one. It's a little bit lighter. Oh, interesting. I need to sort my paints out. I don't know what is in the bottles anymore. This is like a dark, I don't know if it's blue or purple. It's a bluey, purpley color. Then this one is a very nice deep purple. I really like this purple. I believe this is a Liquitex, but it's a lovely color. And then I'm going to top it off with this dark pink, like that. And I wonder if I can get any more of this out, because I do like it, but the spout seems to be jammed. Nothing's coming out of it. As you can see, I need to open up that spout. Oh well, that'll do. Okay, so just going to tilt this to make it easy for myself. And now all we do is we take our swipe color. I don't know where you are, there. You dip your tool, your whatever you're using, take the excess off and swipe across. And then I keep this on the canvas. I just do that, and then you wipe your swipe tool off, dip it again, take the excess off, swipe from the other side, keep the paint on the canvas, wipe the tool off, and keep going. If you can hear noise in the background, I've got the fan on. It's a little bit stuffy in the caravan today. Oops. Wipe it off. and down this way, like that. There's some very, very pretty lace in there. Yeah, I'm going to leave that. So I'm just going to cover the canvas with paint. So just take whatever's around the edges of your painting and just take it like that and just cover it all like that, because we're anyway going to tilt this now, so all of this around the edges is going to come off. And when your canvas is wet, everything's moving. When your canvas is wet, it just tilts easier. So just put some paint around the edges like that. Okay, right. Let's tilt this. So I'm just going to start off by going around in a circle. I'm not going over yet, just taking it to there and back, to there and back, and to there and back. Wow, very, very, very pretty. Okay, I'm going to take it over now. So over and back. Next side. Over and back. Take it down. And over. Wow, this is so pretty. And down to the last corner. It is over. Wow. I don't know if you can see it. I will bring you down for a close-up. That is very, very, very pretty. So just go around and make sure that all your sides are covered. Don't put your hand or gloves over the top of your painting because you will drip on it. Go around the edges like that. Around, not over. Yeah, everything is covered. Wow, that is very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. There's a couple bubbles in it, so I'm going to hit it with a heat gun. And again, when you take your gloves off, not over your painting, do it here, pull them inside out like that. Right, let me get my heat gun. There we go. Wow, the colors are absolutely beautiful. Up here there's this very beautiful blue with it looks like a lightning bolt going right through it. Beautiful lacing and coloring down here. And I love it. All over the place. And from this side I can see a lot of that metallic that was in that one green. So all the way down here, in there, I can see that metallic. So that's all going to be very pretty when it's dry, because it's going to have that shimmer to it. I'm very happy with that. Very, very happy. So I'm going to bring you down for a close-up quick. Yeah, let me bring you in for a close-up. So here it is. I'm going to bring you closer now. Look at the coloring in there. Beautiful lacing throughout. It doesn't have a lot of lacing, but it does have these beautiful white, to me they look like lightning, bolts of lightning. Look at that. Very, very, very pretty. I don't know if you can actually see how, let me try and put this in the sun. Maybe you can see the colors a little bit better, I don't know. But it is very, 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 very pretty. The colors are very, very nice. I think you can see it better now. And I think you'll be able to see a little bit of that metallic. Like I said, it's difficult when it's wet because you've got the reflection on it when it's wet. Look at the coloring up there. That is so pretty. Look at it. Very, 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 very pretty. Very happy with that. So yeah, there we go. Lovely little painting done today. Everybody, thank you for joining me. I will be back next Saturday for another painting. Please join me for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss my videos. 2 videos a week, Saturday and Sunday. And you don't want to miss them. You don't want to miss them because really, really cool paintings, easy techniques, and you can create your very own paintings too. Trust me when I say, if I can do it, so can you. Really, really, really. So thanks everyone for watching. I will see you on Saturday. I hope you have a great week. Bye.